Hey y'all, back with another YouTube video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Flexirod set. And don't forget to subscribe below. So to achieve this look, I did do my hair washed, freshly washed and air dried, no blow dry, because I want the curls to be well defined once I do it. So first I'm going to be showing you the products that I use on my hair. The Smoothing Gel As I Am product. The Smooth and Hold Pudding from Olive Oil. I love using that product. It's so good for your hair once you do the Flexirod sets. The Lottabody Mousse. Another As I Am product, the leave-in conditioner. Great. And now for the Flexirod. So my Flexirod is old, that's why I look like this, but I will put in the description below on what inch it is, because it all comes in different shapes and sizes and colors, like purple and orange and stuff. So to begin off, I did start in the back of my hair. I always do, and I'm just showing you guys that I do not do an even part. I just make sure that it's to my ear. And I already added the leave-in conditioner just in the back of my hair. So I add the Smooth and Hold gel from As I Am, just putting a little bit throughout my hair, stroking it in. Next I have the Smooth and Hold Pudding, and I'm going to add a bit, just a little bit, maybe just a little bit more, okay? And you stroke it within your hair. The Lottabody Mousse, do the same thing as well, just stroke it throughout your hair. Now for the Flexirod, I'm going to show you guys how to secure it on. This is the most hardest part for some. Well, it was hard for me. So you make sure it's not too low and not too high. You want to make sure it's secure, so you wrap it around and just making sure it's secure there, just holding it right there, and it should look just like that. So then, just like a twist out, you twist as you go around the rod. Twist, going around, twisting around the rod. Now once you get to the ends, I always add a little bit more product, the Smooth and Hold Pudding to be exact, just so the curls will be hold when you take your hair down and won't be dry. And once you have that, you just make sure it's secure just like you did for the top, and you just swash it in there, and just like that you have your first Flexirod. Now again, I'm going to be showing you the other side, just how I pull it apart, adding a little bit of the product to your hair, the Smooth and Hold Pudding, the smoothing gel, the mousse. Like I said before, I already added the leave-in conditioner, so I won't not be filming it on this one in the back of my hair because I already did it. Secured it on, just like a twist out, twist as you go around the rod, twist, twist. Now for this one, I'm not going to add products to the end because I added a lot of the smoothing gel and Smooth and Hold Pudding, so I'm just going to make sure it's secured tightly on there. And there you have it. So I'm going to fast forward the video so you don't have to see me keep doing it over and over again. So I'm going to show you the results at the end. Again, you do not have to make sure that the parts are even and straight. I just like to just part as I go. So yeah, let's look at the results at the end. So I did sit under the dryer after this look for 15 minutes, and I did sleep overnight in the rods, and let's see the turnout when I wake up. Okay, I know that wasn't the best sleeping because I know my neck hurts from sleeping in them. But I'm just going to show you guys how to undo them. So you just like unscrew them per se. Just take the top off and the bottom one off. And then you just twist them off. Just twist them, twist them, twist them. Sometimes your hair does get caught on the ends from your hair being curly from all the product at the bottom. But that's fine. So I'm just going to fast forward here just so you can see how I did it. Alrighty, so this is how they look once you take all of them down. Look. Then you just pull them apart just to ease as much as you want. It depends. This all depends on you and how many curls. If you want to leave them like that, you can. I just like pulling mine apart so I can see how the curls look. Alrighty, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. See you guys.